I initially had a lot of inquiries concerning artificial intelligence. It was never easy to comprehend that. I immediately conducted extensive research, and I'm here to respond to all of your inquiries. What is AI services? Artificial intelligence services are a set of tools and technologies that enable computers to mimic human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. These services are becoming increasingly popular in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and transportation, as they can help business automate routine tasks, improve efficiency, and gain insights from data. Artificial intelligence has become a part of our lives. It is estimated that the global artificial intelligence market will reach $267 billion by 2027. How we can use artificial intelligence to make money sitting at home. I have $1 million idea that anyone can implement with minimum effort, because AI will make your money here. Ever since AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT have come, people are not only earning money by using them correctly, but also going viral by using trending topics. Now the tasks which used to take you hours to do, AI does in a few minutes, like Midjourney, where you can create an image with text, or from ChatGPT, from where you can get any idea or solution of your problem. And in today's video, I will tell you about such tools with which you can make faceless videos sitting at home and earn money from them. So first of all, you have to bring an idea. Now AI can lead you idea, but first of all, you have to choose the niche. So suppose we make our channel related to movies. Fact: movies are also trending. People also want to hear about their favorite movie and or their favorite actor. So here we will take out some facts related to our favorite movies, such as Fast and Furious 8. And after that we will go to ChatGPT and write here. Now here has taken out the facts and given us, but it is very obvious. So we can take the answer of the above question again. Write more, so it will now give more information. ChatGPT is exactly like a Google, but smarter. You ask anything from it, it will answer as if it is your friend. If you go to Google, you will see many links. Clicking on them you will see. But here you put your question, ask, and leave. You will get very clear-cut answer, and that too in points. To be honest, I had scripted a small part in my last video through this. Now your idea and script is ready. Now you need photo and a video. Now before you use stock sites like Pixels and Unsplash, where you can use free images and videos. But now after the arrival of AI, you can create your own image, that too by just typing text. Using Midjourney and DALL-E 2, you can create the images and videos you want. So you have to doing nothing, just have to enter the text and it will generate your image there. Your video is ready. You need voiceover. There is a software whose name is Descript. You can easily work by using it. Just download Descript and type the script there. Why AI is future dominant. AI has the potential to be a dominant force in the future due to several reasons. Ability to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Ability to perform tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans. Ability to automate routine tasks and improve efficiency. Ability to learn and improve through experience. Ability to make data-driven decisions. Ability to enhance and augment human capabilities. Potential to solve complex problems in fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Ability to create new products and services. Ability to drive innovation and economic growth. Potential to enhance quality of life and improve human welfare. Which business companies will hire AI services in the future? Healthcare organizations, which can use AI to analyze medical images and assist with diagnosis. Retail companies, which can use AI for tasks such as predicting demand for products and optimizing pricing. Financial institutions, which can use AI for fraud detection and risk management. Transportation and logistics companies, which can use AI to optimize routes and improve efficiency. Manufacturing companies, which can use AI to improve quality control and automate certain processes. Marketing and advertising companies, which can use AI to analyze customer data and improve targeting of ads. E-commerce companies, which can use AI for personalizing recommendations and chatbots. It is expected that almost all business will be using AI in some form in the future. Cybersecurity companies, which can use AI for tasks such as threat detection and incident response. Education and training companies, which can use AI for tasks such as personalizing learning and creating adaptive tests. Healthcare and pharmaceutical companies, which can use AI for tasks such as drug discovery and clinical trial matching. Transport and logistics companies, which can use AI for tasks such as fleet management, route optimization, and predictive maintenance. Supply chain management companies, which can use AI for tasks such as demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and warehouse management. Human resources companies, which can use AI for tasks such as recruitment, employee engagement, and performance management. Gaming and gambling companies, which can use AI for tasks such as game design, player targeting, and fraud detection. In summary, many different types of businesses are likely to hire AI services in the future, and the use of AI is expected to continue to grow and evolve across various industries and domains. New category added in Fiverr: AI services with low competition 2023. Finally, Fiverr has introduced new services where you can sell your AI artwork and other services related to AI. You can sell Midjourney art, DALL-E artwork, ChatGPT scripts and commands, and so many other things. First, you go to Fiverr, and then on the top list you can see the new category: AI services. When you go there, you can see AI artist, Midjourney artist, DALL-E artist, Stable Diffusion artist, AI application, ChatGPT application, AI web applications, AI chatbots, other services, AI models, AI music videos, AI content editing, fact-checking. Then click on Stable Diffusion Artist. There are 203 services available. This is a big opportunity for us to earn money from AI and Fiverr.